What's up, please?
I am Figure.
I'm back here today. Today I'm playing doors with my friend Valentine. Stefan's not here though, but
And he is.
I am Screech, I am Eyes, and I'm Figure.
He is Screechger. Sprigger.
I am
He is Sprigger.
Seeker.
Seeker.
I am Screech. Screech.
Fix Screek.
Shriek.
Fix Screek. Join my game. I'm joining.
I have. Should I buy 5 revives?
Join
Should I buy 1,000 knobs? No, I'll have 14 Robux left. I'm getting in debt. Let's go. So hopefully Screech won't come to me because I have his head. Screech won't come to me because I have his head.
I just said the word "Hey, Dad."
Yo, Screech actually will not come and will not hurt me because I have his head on. I am not buying anything. Get out of the store, 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 get out of the store. But Screech will not hurt me. No, he won't.
You the ultimate ring ding of big. Ooh, hang on, let me turn on my noise.
Yo, hold on, guys, listen to this, listen to this. You do it.
What is my
Graphics quality, max.
We're going to lag
Lag
out.
out? Boy, you better wait for me.
No.
What the frick?
Got jacked.
What the mother?
I wanted to open the door, but yet I got jacked. How dare you, Jack? I just wanted to hide in the closet.
Boy. Come here, Sniffer.
That is terrifying.
What? I'm me just running behind you. Turn around, turn around. So, wait, go a couple doors ahead.
That is terrifying.
Oh, no. Okay, so go a couple doors ahead. I'll stay in here just in case something comes. So go like 2 doors ahead. Go 3, go 3.
I just got a diamond stack and
Go 3.
There's a key.
Alright, stop.
My mother is in better shape. Imagine if I'm just walking with you and I just hear something.
Figure's coming. I don't have anything.
You look like a spook.
Jesus
Get
Christ,
away,
you
ball.
scared the flip out of me.
Get away, stupid oil ball.
Caca.
He's an oil ball.
Caca.
Gunangingan kakabubu.
Caca! Bing. I need to find lighter or flashlight. I found 2 flashlights last game. In little drawers. Ambush, 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 ambush. Oh my god. Get out. Get back in. Get back in. That's it. The PD spawned. Wow. That was a real. That may be a world record for fastest time for ambush to go away.
Ambush.
Yeah, fastest ambush.
Hang on, let me look. Oh, 'cause it's sweating like crazy.
It's sweaty. I got a lighter. I got a lighter. I got a lighter.
Nice. If rush comes, you get more cotton candy. If I get right now, I will die.
No, you won't.
Yes.
No, he doesn't do that much damage. Well, he does a bit. Hootie. Cuckoos, hide, bro. Imagine Rush comes, I just sit here. Rush stops and crouches down and sniffs me. Dude, oh, no, like actually, let me get what's in the compartment.
I need it.
Well, you already got it. You got Timmy.
I keep getting Timothy on that specific drawer.
Cuckoo. Smiler. Wait, Smiler doesn't exist.
Spider.
I said Smiler.
What is a spider?
You don't know what that is?
Oh, that.
No. It's a much more annoying ambush. Why is it dark in here? Boy.
Street.
I'm for Screek.
Street.
I'm for Screek. No, I'm for Screek. I'm for Screek.
You're free.
I'm for Screek.
What? I got a band-aid. I got a flashlight and a band-aid.
Can I have the flashlight?
Sure.
Okay, where is it?
Right here. Back to this door. Over here. Back.
Got it.
You're welcome, bud. You owe me 1 million flashlights.
I owe you 1 knob. Then I'll have 800.
Hold on, let me go on this. Go.
Tick,
Oh.
You better get kicked out by Spider. Mess up. Dude, I mess up so bad. I hope not. I mean, I have revives. He's so close. Which way? God, I'm done. Yeah. What's that noise?
Hey, Screech.
I just revived for nothing.
I thought I could walk in.
Wait, I still have 3 revives though.
I thought I could walk in.
I have 3 revives though. Why do I still have 3 revives?
Maybe it didn't load. You didn't.
I hate you. No, I literally hate you. I'm unfriending you.
Why?
Because you made me waste a revive.
With a code. Look, we're probably gonna have.
Now I have to at least win.
Screech.
What if I have Timothy Head?
Timothy Head, he won't come and get you. He will make his family get you.
If he has one. They're on my head.
Why do the lights flicker?
Because it's freaking Figgy Poo.
What? Wait.
Hello, buddy.
We'll figure it out
No, he won't see it. But if he hears me. Yeah, and if he hears and he comes to me, and he senses me, he'll eat me.
Please get you.
No. Alright, let's see. Get out figure. That side is the most riskiest. Yeah, it is. I know. Yeah, he is. Alright, got that. Alright, we need one more. One more! No, really.
No.
Daddy! Alright, got it. What? No. No. I'm not going back down. 0, 5, 1, 1, 0, 5, no. 0, 5, 1, 1. 5, 1, 1. 5, 1, 1. 5, 1, 1. 5, 1, 1. 'That was way too risky. Get out of here, figure. Five. 1. Dang it! 1. 5. 5, 1, 1. 6.
I can do it way faster.
7.
Make it. Wait. You idiot!
Look at this dude, what he's typing. Beta Nikki Bickel laptop. Neuroscientific, individualistic, inspirational, Jacobson's, Jack, Hancock, usual, identification. What even is wrong with this kid? What is wrong with you, huh? 6RC, 7CT, HVH, 8TV handled D. Jackhammer. Unsuspecting. Beneficial. Yannick. Hex. Agon. JFK's. Jan. Urbanism. Ham.
I rock.
Italy's. Partnerships.
C.
Where are the keys? Heavis hams. Heavy Shams. Jah is the kingdom come to pick me up and he might be able to do it again. What? Mother effer. Mother. Help me! Sniff me hole. Go. I can't read that. Not right now. Stay away, Hulk. He's so fast. Oh my god.
He's so easy. What are you doing?
Oh my god, bro. He's getting faster. Great God.
What?
Thank God it's right there. Shut up. Thank God. Okay, I can have a break.
Read it.
All right. Hold the War 3 in the computer. Today is a lie. And you can get the best of the world grind 3rd century. And then we will be able... We are a good hiding spot for the computer once we are able, and it will.
Devil face, though.
Oh my god. JFK has been the first major U.S. list cuts.
ISP.
What is...
Jackal. Jacqueline.
Okay, shut up. Bro, stop. Dude, my freaking thing's about to run out.
Your what?
Lighter! Burn the lighter.
Cuts.
Bro, I gotta burn the lighter. Shut up. I can hear. Oh my god, my ears, bro. Turn your volume down.
I wanted to turn it up. Bro, what?
Turn your volume down. It's so loud.
It is.
Yes.
It really is.
My ears almost broke open. Mother truck.
I wish Russian did.
Cookie. Hey, Cookie boy.
Mother-
Icy poo. Ba-da. Eyes does a decent bit of damage. I looked at him for 1 tick.
Bro, how many Russians?
Again? Bro, get out! Turn it down. It is too loud.
Is that good?
Yes.
That's good.
Boy,
There.
I swear to God, if I get another rush,
Blip.
how many brushes you have to go to your ego? Blippy.
Lockdown.
Lock, bro, our school thing, lockdown. Attention staff and students. Lockdown.
Liz.
Please.
Leviathan.
I'm glad the keys are right there. Where's the door? Heterosexuals.
I did not mean to.
Heterosexuals.
I did not mean to say that.
Bro, heterosexuals.
I did not mean to say that.
Okay. Set report.
No.
Phoenix Darkwing.
No, for real, don't.
So what would it be?
No, for real, don't.
Swearing. Said
No,
heterosexual.
for real, don't.
Submit.
I will get banned for that.
I'm just kidding.
Auto. Correct. It's auto.
Totally. Patillos.
To say retro.
right, we get it.
Yeah. You.
But like, bro. Wait, huh?
ISS. Whoa. BPO.
BPO? What is BPO?
Last. Saw.
Orthodontists?
It auto does that.
Orthodontists.
It did it again.
Palestinians?
It did it again.
What is a Palestinian? A judicial. A ding dong? Irkutsk.
Tennis. I meant to say tennis, by the way.
Venice.
Hendrix.
Methane gas. Methane gas. Finish the sentence. Finish the sentence.
Cows produce meat for the chickens.
D's.
I can't say it.
D's dots. I saw like a chip brand and it was named D's. No, it was literally D's. Nerled. Okay, huh? Let me look at your chat. I just want to see something.
Kids sporting Goosa.
Kids sporting Goosa.
No. Is.
Yo!
What?
I thought the typewriter worked for a second. I thought it actually like moved over. Indianapolis. That's a capital. I couldn't think of the word of the word. Okay, cooties, where's the keys?
Look, if I say this, will I get banned? Nig versus Gur.
Bro, no, type.
No.
Hopefully you can get it done in the morning, and then I can get it to you in the morning, and then I can get it to you in the morning, and then I'll be back in a few minutes to get you. Papi yipo kama sima chami yapa cam bada kitty yoko trick bada kisi yapa tick bada yapa kick bada kini yoko trick bada simi yapa lick.
Look what I typed.
Good morning, and I can come you in front, or so I could use a new phone to get it from me when you in the house in the bathroom, and I can go and I can get a new phone and it done. But where's the keys? God bless the world over heaven for you. All right, shut up. Where's the keys? Bruh, apparently I didn't check that door. Okay, so you want to play that game.
All tags. All. How come it lets you?
Pariakimo kama simet. Pariakachamo kite. Pariakachamo. Oh, peach. Hold on. Peach. I can't put a peach in because it'll think it's a butt. I can't put a peach in because it'll think the peach is meant for a butt. Like, look at this. It's a peach. It thinks it's a butt. It will take it as they think it's a butt.
Look what I put. Monkey emoji.
Monkey. Versus
monkey banana.
Monkey. monkey versus Sniff me.
Monkey, stop. Gas can. Stop. Hot star. Banana. Balloon. Firecracker.
I may. Hold on. Okay.
Carrot.
HDS, and then I can get a new, and then get back with me, and it done for you. I will be in a.
Bruh.
That was Valentine, guys. That was Valentine.
That was you.
That was Valentine. That wasn't me.
What?
All right, guys. Well, Val had to go home. Oh, it's eyes. Seek boy in the house. Oh, so we got a Seek boy in the house. Am I on door 80? 86. Wait, or is that 68? No, that's 86. Nice. All right, now let's not mess this one up. Let's not mess this one up. There we go. Don't mess this one up. This way. Oh no. I think we're gonna win this, boys. Boys, I think we're gonna win this. You guys think we're gonna win? I think so. Door 94? I think we got a chance at this. I think we got a chance. Burn the lighter. I couldn't get behind it to hide. What is this room? I don't like that. Door 100. What's up, figure? Here we go. Bing. Figure's gone mad. Bam. There we go, guys. That's gonna be another win for us. But alright, guys. That's gonna be the end of today's video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below. We'll get Miss Play next. See you guys next time. Bye! Peace out.